In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use CyberGhost VPN in 2025. If you're looking to enhance your online security and privacy or access content that's not available in your region, CyberGhost VPN is a fantastic choice. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to set up and use. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the CyberGhost VPN website. This is your starting point for exploring their services. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with their features. But don't get too distracted just yet. What you're looking to do next is locate the My Account section, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Give that a click. After you've navigated to the My Account section, you'll see the option to log in. Click on Log In to proceed. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials to access the CyberGhost dashboard. It's important to ensure your login details are entered correctly for a smooth experience. Once logged in, you'll find yourself at the CyberGhost home. This dashboard is your gateway to various settings and downloads that CyberGhost has to offer. Spend a little time getting accustomed to the layout, because it'll make future interactions far more intuitive. Next up, we'll head over to the Download Hub. Click on it, and you'll be directed to a page that lets you choose the type of device you want to install CyberGhost on. Whether you're on a Windows PC, a Mac, a smartphone, a tablet, or even a smart TV, CyberGhost has you covered. Select the device that you want to use and proceed. Once you've chosen your device, click on Get. This will initiate the download process for the CyberGhost application. Wait for the download to complete, and then follow the installation prompts. They usually guide you through a straightforward process. Once installed, open up the app, and you'll be ready to secure your browsing in no time. Some tips as you set up. Make sure you're connected to a secure network for the initial download, and take advantage of any setup guides or support options provided by CyberGhost if you encounter any snags. You'll find help options right there on the website if you need them. And there you have it. A simple, streamlined way to get CyberGhost up and running in 2025. Remember, a good VPN is an essential tool for maintaining privacy and security in our increasingly digital world. With CyberGhost, you're one step closer to browsing with confidence. Thank you for watching, and enjoy safe and secure internet access wherever you go.